Hey everybody, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can get the blue halo. First you have to find this stage called Crumbling. Then you have to go down here, go up, and go up here. So basically you just have to go to the human, then step on its halo. Then you want to be very precise at where you
Did you just run the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, then you want to take out the break halo. Then take it over this
in the dryer?
blue spot
Yeah.
and place it right here. And there you have the blue halo. Go to your inventory, halo. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Blue halo. So yep, there's the blue halo. It's actually pretty simple. Okay, thank you. Bye.